Hello, this video provides a summary of the Guelph housing market stats for the month of November 2021. Dramatically low inventory levels, coupled with steady buyer demand, is resulting in continued price growth. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to November 2020. Median sales price was $810,500, which is up by 29.5%. Average sales price per square foot was $501, which is up by 23.4%. The total number of listings was 217, which is up by 12.4%, and the total number of sales was 207, which is down by 2.4%. While the supply has been decreasing month over month across the region in the freehold market, the demand has also been waning. This balance has kept prices relatively stable in the short term, and we don't expect a major deviation from this trend in the coming months. With that said, the situation looks a little bit different in the condominium market. While almost every other area of our local markets are seeing the number of home sales down month over month and year over year, the demand for condos has increased across the board. Perhaps a sign of the persistence of first-time homebuyers to enter the market, and only time will tell if we see a significant price increase in this segment of the market as we move through into the winter months. As we head into December, we expect the number of active listings to decline from November's listing levels. At the same time, we are wary of that number plummeting too far down, as it may lead to another spike early in the new year. If you're considering buying or selling in 2022, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to discuss your real estate goals and objectives with you. And of course, take a look at the full market analysis in the link down below. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.